Want to turn your Facebook ads from good to great for free? Stick around till the end of this video for the magic prompt that does it all and a huge announcement you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Step 1. Head over to Facebook Ads Library. Step 2. Search for your competitors. Step 3. Take a screenshot of their most common ad. Step 4. Upload that screenshot to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Step 5. If you need images to go with your ad, feed it this prompt, then head over to Ideogram and this will give you amazing images for free. If you want to get more tips like this and if you want me to walk through this in detail, get on my community waitlist. It's almost ready and there are incredible bonuses. You will get access to my AI content mastery training. You will also get access to my ultimate ChatGPT guide for beginners. You will get access to my software AI lead builder, which usually on its own starts from $97 per month. You will also get access to a community of like-minded people, and I will be doing weekly live calls. Now here is the most exciting part. A lot of my audience wanted to join my VIP community, but they just couldn't afford it. So I've made this affordable for anyone to get in. Here's how it's gonna work. For the first 10 signups, they are gonna be locked in at just $17 per month. And for the next 10 signups, they are gonna be locked in at just $27 per month. Thereafter, whoever signs up will be locked in at $47 per month. Then once the early bird offer is over, the price will go up again. So now is your chance to get in. Just click the link in my bio or head over to asmaldigital.com/waitlist.